Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart Page here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, let's talk about the new website and the new UI of BPI Trade. So, ito na yung itsura ng bagong BPI Trade. As I've said sa isang previous episode natin, binago nila yung kanilang website. So, total overhaul yung nangyari. And yung isang reason dito is para makapag-attract pa sila ng mas maraming traders. Kasi nandun yung pera. Mas marami sila makukuha commissions kapag mas malimit mag-trade yung mga customers sila. And nasabi ko nga din previously na kapag yung customer sila is katulad ko lang na bumibili every month or probably every other month ng mga stocks and iniimbak lang yung stocks nila yung sa portfolio for a couple of years or for the long term kasi yun naman talaga yung strategy ko. Then hindi sila masyado makikita kasi yung commission nila is dun lang sa buy trade na yun or sa buy order na yun. So kapag mas maraming traders yung pumasok and gumamit ng platform nila, then mas marami sila mo commission. So sa akin, wala sila masyadong kinikita kasi bihira lang ako magbenta and consistently lang ako bumibili ng mga stocks. And usually mga dividend paying stocks yung binibili ko. So yung mga tabs na pwede nyong i-click, yung mga options dito, you have your quote, you have your watch list. So pwede kang mag-create ng sarili mong watch list which is pwede mo rin naman gawin dun sa previous BPI Trade platform. Then you can click on recent quote. Then yung stock info dito rin. Makita mo yung market depth dito. Yung stock info. So makita mo dito yung status. Kung actively nagtitrade ba yung stock. Yung trading board sa main board. Yung sector ng company or ng business. Yung ISIN. Hindi naman siya sobrang halaga yung ibang info dito. Yung open price, high, low. Then yung value na na-trade. Yung volume, kung ilang stocks or ilang shares yung na-trade within the day. And buy rate, total buy volume, total sell volume. So, mga useful information to sa mga day traders, sa mga swing traders. But for long-term investors, not really that much. You can also go for the historical data. So, a lot of volume lang din, a lot of high, low, close, open prices. Then board lot. Ito, sobrang useful to. Lalo sa mga newbie investors or newbie traders. Kasi dito mo makikita kung ilan ba yung minimum na stocks na kailangan mo bilhin within, like for example, the price range of 10 pesos or 50 pesos. Sabihin natin yung Globe. So dito siya papatak sa 2,000 to 4,998. So yung board lot is 5. So, kailangan mong bumili ng minimum 5 Globe shares. And then, for PLDT, dito siya papatak sa 1,000 to 1,999. So, 5 din yung board lot. Then, kapag bumaba na sa 1,000, so around 500 to 999.5, then 10 na lang yung board lot. And then, kapag sa mga mas mababa, mga penny shares, so penny stocks, so 50 centavos to 4.99, 1,000 yung board lot. Then sa mas mababa pa, 25 centavos to 49.5 centavos, 10,000 yung board lot. So that's gonna be useful, especially for the new investors or new traders. Then we also have the charts here. So makita mo dito yung chart. So pangit ng chart ng Apollo. So let's go for, let's say, SM. Intraday chart. So, yan. Ito yung chart. So, this is just for the day. So, ito nyo dito. Ito nyo yung price fluctuations within the day. And same thing for analysis chart. So, ito, mas mahaba na yung time frame. Pwede kang pumili dito. 1 week. So, makita mo dito. Yung chart, candlestick. Then 1 month. So, ito nyo, nagra-rise na dito yung SMPH since. Actually, hindi natin makita yung date sa baba. I'm not sure why. Yun, kailangan mo mag-scroll down ng konti. So, since 2000, yan, packet lang siya. Then you can also select 1 year. So, this year, ano bang lagay ng SM? So, 2 years na siyang red. 2023. Ba't hindi makita? Dapat may nakalagay dito. Down dapat ng something for the year. But, I'm not sure but hindi pinapakita dito. But, sa trading view, dapat may makita kang percentage around right here. So, pa-flash kayo lang dito sa screen kung ano dapat yung nakikita nyo. But hindi siya nakikita dito for some reason. Maybe may settings na kailangan baguhin but hindi na tayo magda-double dun. So, we're just gonna touch on that and then pwede mong i-click yung buy. So, makita mo dito. Pwede kang bumili and green yung makikita mo na background. Pag kinlik mo naman yung sell, then magiging red-ish or pink-ish. And then, moving on, merong news. Yung BPI research, ito yung traders takedown. Everyday naman tong pinopost. Usually, ng BPI Trade. May ganito rin naman sa previous platform. And same thing lang din naman. And I think nag-improve lang ng konti yung like graphics na pinapakita nila dito sa mga reports na to. So that's gonna be useful as well. And PSE Edge, ito pag kinlik nyo ito, marire-route lang kayo sa PSE Edge. Then analysis, yung foreign flow, pwede nyo makita. And then yung broker info. So sinong broker ba or anong broker yung may mataas na total value na trade within the day? Makita nyo yung buy and sell value. So, let's see kung nasan ang BPI. Number 14 lang yung BPI Securities Corp. So, again, yung goal nila is tumaas palalo yung volume ng trading sa BPI Trade. That's why they did this platform overhaul. Kasi andun yung commissions, andun yung pera. And again, for profit business or company itong BPI Trade. So, they need to rake in all of the revenue na kaya nilang kunin sa mga customers. And then we have market. Oh, sorry about that. Market, makita mo yung summary ng PSEI. So, pwede mo rin yung palakihin ng konti. Although, ang awkward nito pagka minamaximize mo. So, I don't really like that. Indices, so ito, kahit di mo na siya i-maximize kasi naging awkward yung graph. So, makita mo dito lahat ng index. So, yung previous and current na value. So, financials, yung holdings, IND, industrial, mining and oil, then property, PSCI index mismo, and then services. And then what else? Scoreboard. So, makita mo dito yung mga down na stocks, up na stocks, untraded and unchanged. So currently today, yung up is 7% lang. So majority ng market is down or untraded. And then market pa rin tayo, ticker. So yan, makita mo dito yung ticker, yung last traded, current market price, yung open. So that is like basic stuff din. Then equities order book. Nakita mo dito kung may existing ka or outstanding na buy order, then or sell order. Then meron ding equities order history. So lahat ng mga tinrade mo, let's say the past week. So pwede kang pumili ng date. So ganyan. Then isa-search mo lang siya. And then equities order log. So wala naman ako nun. So hindi siya ma-select. Then you can also download your statement of account here. So yung latest sa akin is September. Hindi pa lumalabas yung for October, but I believe na email na siya, if I'm not mistaken. Then purchase and sales daily invoice. So wala ring record kasi hindi mo na ako masyado nagtitrade. Then you have settings. So pwede mong baguhin yung layout, yung UI, light. Pwede mong gawin ganyan. Ako, I prefer dark mode. And then yung font, pwede mo ring baguhin. Kung naka-bold ba, semi-bold, light, Verdana. Ako, actually, hindi ko pa ito na check before. So, I think, ano ba maganda? Verdana. I think Helvetica is best for the visual. Then trade, then hotkeys, pwede mo ring baguhin yan. So, yung buy, sell, analysis chart, para mabilis kang makagalaw pagka nagtitrade ka. So, apply na natin yan. So, that's better in my opinion. So, pwede mo rin click dito yung equities portfolio mo and yung equities realized gain and losses. Then, trade calculator. Ito yung isa sa favorite feature ko dito sa BPI Trade. May ganito din naman before, but this is more like intuitive and easier to use in my opinion. So, lagi lang natin yung Mega World. So, nasa yung Mega World? Dito lang siya kanina. So, hindi ko siya makita. So, ayan. So, yung number of shares, sabihin natin 10,000 shares. So, kung yung buy price mo is yung last traded price. So, 2.23. Then sabihin natin magsisell ka at around 2.6. So, yan. Makita mo na agad yung profit mo. Net na yan ng commission ng BPI Trade. So, sabihin natin 2.23 mo rin ibebenta. So, lugi ka. Kasi magbabayad ka pa ng commission from the buy order or the buy trade from BPI. And then, pag ibebenta mo, syempre magbabayad ka ulit ng commission and ng taxes. So, lugi ka pag binenta mo lang sa same price. So, para maka break even ka, sabihin natin 2.3. So, sobra na yun. Sabihin natin 2.25. Konti pa. 2.56. 2.57, I believe yan. Break even ka na kapag binenta mo ng 2.257 yung binili mo na 2.23 per share na Mega World stocks. So, very useful to kapag magsiset ka, for example, ng target price for a particular stock kapag nagtitrade ka. But again, for me, I'm not doing this naman. I'm a long-term investor. I'm a long-term dividend stock investor. So, gagamitin ko lang to siguro kapag, let's say, gusto ko na magbenta. Sabihin natin, in 10 years, sabihin natin, 5 na dapat yung Mega World. So, yun yung possible profit ko. And sabihin natin, mas madami pa yung shares na nabili ko. Sabihin natin, 100,000. So, mas malaki, of course, yung profit. So, more than double yung naging target price natin in 10 years. That's possible, but of course, pwede rin siyang bumaba. So, sabihin natin, bumaba siya to 1.5. So, yan, yung magiging losses mo. So, down ka ng 33.53%. And kapag ka binenta mo at this low market price, then you will incur 75,000 pesos of losses. I just want to quickly add na meron ng OTP, yung bagong BPI Trade platform. So, that is added security for us users. And also, you can save the layouts of like this trading view. For example, itong first layout, meron tayong quote screen, equities portfolio, trade calculator, order pad, and order book. Then, pwede kang maglagay sa layout 2, itong quote screen, order book, order pad nakahiwalay, and yung intraday chart. For layout 3, we have quote screen, we have the watch list, market depth, and then order book, order pad, and then yung news. And for layout 4, mas simple lang analysis chart and quote screen. Lastly, layout number 5, we have stock info or tracker, market depth, and quote screen. And makita mo dito sa taas yung ticker. Okay, so yung isang hindi ko nagustuhan dito is tinanggal nila yung company info from the previous platform. So I think may footage naman ako na ipa-flash ko lang dito sa screen nyo para makita nyo yung feature na yun. So makita mo doon yung history ng business. Ano ba yung previous names niya bago siya naging, sabihin natin, Call Financial, or sabihin natin na bago maging, ano ba yung mga nabago na na companies before. I think Semirara Mining iba rin yung name niya before, but I might be mistaken. But yeah, may mga ibang companies na nagre-rebrand or nagre-rename, and makita mo yun dun sa info sheet or info page ng mga businesses or companies sa previous platform ng BPI Trade. But for some reason, wala na yun dito sa bagong platform. And I'm not sure why they decided to remove it. Siguro dahil pwede mo namang tingnan sa PSC Edge, but it's more convenient na nasa BPI Trade ka na lang and may access ka dun sa information na yun. Meron ding access sa financials and wala dito. I've checked like everything, wala. Kasi sa analysis, foreign flow and broker info lang. Then sa news, BPI Research and PSC Edge. So, kumbaga, pinupush na tayong gamitin yung PSC Edge ng BPI Trade. But before andun lahat, may 5-year financials kang pwedeng ma-review. So, andun lahat ng financial statement, yung assets, yung liabilities, and yung mga key metrics like PE ratio, PEG ratio, and all of the other ratios na pwede mong gamitin sa fundamental analysis. And dun ko rin actually kinukuha yung dividend info nung mga stocks before kasi wala sa Call Financial nun. And sa PSC Edge naman, like you have to sift through a lot of dividend declarations kasi like the past year lang yung na may maintain ng PSC Edge sa mga dividends. So mas mahirapan kang i-compute yung sabihin natin 5-year average dividend yield ng isang business or ng isang company or yung 5-year average dividend payout ratio. So lahat yun nandun sa previous platform ng BPI Trade, but wala na siya ngayon dito. So I don't really like that. So again, I understand naman kasi they need more traders on their platforms. That's why ganito yung ginawa nila. Mas targeted na yung product or yung services ng BPI Trade to traders, which makes sense kasi BPI Trade. So, mga traders yung gusto nilang i-cater mas maraming traders instead of like passive investors like me or possibly kayo mga viewers ko. Kasi hindi naman kayo manonood ng content ko if hindi kayo long-term investors or long-term dividend investors. So yeah, that's a quick rundown dito sa BPI Trade sa bagong platform nila na kaka-release lang. Well, hindi naman kaka-release lang. I believe it's been almost a year after the official launch of this platform, but ngayon ko lang siya na-review. And yung main reason is actually hindi ko siya nagustuhan nung una. Nung first time ko siyang buksan, hindi ko talaga nagustuhan and I wanted to go back na sa old platform but they already shut it down. So I can't really go back there. But kung may option, I will go back. Kasi mas okay yun para sa akin. Nakasanayan ko na yun and again, yung feature ng company info is wala dito sa bagong platform. So I will miss that. And for a time nga din, hindi ko binubuksan masyado yung portfolio ko dito and tinatamad din akong bumili or mag PCA or DCA na sa mga stocks ko kasi nahirapan akong gamitin itong bagong platform. But konting practice lang and konting familiarization dun sa platform, dumali na rin naman siyang gamitin. But yeah, let me know your thoughts sa comment section down below. We will end the episode here, guys. Thank you very much for watching and listening. I will see you all in the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.